Hi guys, Tim here. In this video, I'm going to talk about my limited time offer, which is essentially a 1 minute scalping box on FOREX. So let's talk a little bit about strategies. The box is actually runs on mounted currency strategy on 1 minute time frame, and actually the box has been tested and provides an average monthly returns between 4% and 10%. So if you run the box on multi currency pairs, and the combined average returns on a monthly basis would be between 10% and 30%, which is absolutely fantastic, according to any measures. So let's dive into detail. Now, first of all, you got to download the trial version. So actually, I offer you guys a trial version for 2 days, okay, to run on 3 most popular currency pairs: Euro USD, Sterling Pound USD, and USD Japanese Yen. All right. For other currency pairs, so you got to work out a specific deal for you. So you got to contact me to get the box running on different currency pairs. Now, so you just click on the download link below the video to download the trial versions and copy the trial version into your empty file folder. So just open your empty file, go to File, go to Open Data folder. Alright, so it takes a while, and go to MQ file, expert advisors. So just copy the box into this folder, okay? We have done that. Now what we're going to do, we're going to backtest the box, right? Using strategy tester, amplified strategy tester. You go to view, you go to strategy tester, you go to click on setting, okay, and you got to select the box, scalping box version 0.1 EX5. You got to time in the currency pair that you want to test. In this case, I want to test the Euro USD. Alright, so you got to select 1 minute time frame. For dates, you got to select the custom periods. So now for the trial version, you can test only start dates from 2022 in January this year until the current time, which is 2022 September, and today is actually 12th. Alright, and delays, you can select all the defaults. Now modeling, you might want to choose every tick, which actually would take longer time to test. So for quick running, I prefer to select 1 minute, because actually a strategies, it's based on open, high, low, and close prices. So this is actually very accurate testing option. So deposits. So let's, for example, I choose 1,000 USD for testing leverage. You can choose 100x, right? Now you go to inputs. So sorry, I want to select the trial version, right? For the inputs, now the trade lock time, I want to select the auto. So for percentage, so every trade it takes, so it's a puts on about 30% of available balance at any given time. So if you want to select auto manual, so you got to edit the trade lock here. So for the first test, I want to select the auto trade lock. So auto dollars per 1 lot. So this is a little bit tricky. So what you're going to do, you go to toolbox, Yeah, you try to place a trade. Let's say I want to place Euro USD trade for 0.1. Yes, so I just place a buy markets. Yeah. Okay, and you look at here, and you look at the margins. The margin for 0.01 lot is actually about $34. All right, let's go back to here. You go back to strategy tester, and you got to end $34 and here. All right, so everything looks good. So let's press the start button, and you see the test data are running. Right, you might want to look at the graph here. You say the testing is in progress. All right. Right, it's going to finish soon. So basically, right, you look at the result, balance equity cost, and you see for 9 months the return about 30%, and the max drawdown is actually the difference between the balance and the equity. Right, and so if you want to look into details of test result, you go to back test, and right click, you go to reports, and you might want to open to set the test results in XML or HTML. So I prefer this one. I want to use Excel. Right, click in here and so wait, and you're going to set to anything, any folder you want. For example, I want to set in here. You got to wait for a while. All right, so this is essentially detailed by test results, so you can check all the stacks in here. All right. All right, so this is a balance graph. All right. Now let's get back to here. Let's do another test for sterling pound USD. So I just select sterling pound, right, USD, all right, and the test test dates I guess January this year. So you look at the inputs, right, and again, let's say I want to, you go to toolbox, right, you just close this one. Now one input I need to work out is actually, let's say I want to place a trading, so 0.01 lot size I want to buy, and you look at the margin is about $40 per 0.01 lot. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I go back to the strategy tester. All right, and I put in here 40. All right, so everything looks good. So let's start it. Press the power button, and you can check the graph. Right, so let's still under testing. All right, it's going to finish soon. So 1 month is returns about 80% for this currency pair. And again, so if you want to save the details test result, click on the back test tab, you go to reports, and you can set the file under different formats in here. Right, let's play with another pair, so USD, Japanese yen. Alright, so the next thing I want to do is I want to check this parameter. So first of all, I got to close this one. So I got to open USD Japanese yen. Just go to markets, just type in USD Japanese yen. Right, open the chart. Right, now I want to place an order of 0.01 lot to check the margin amount. So I want to place buy. So the margin about $34. Alright, so let's go back to your strategy tester. Alright, $34 for this one. Right, and you want to select USD Japanese yen. Right, so everything looks good, so press the start button. Okay, the tester is still running. Alright, for 9 months, yes, so basically the profit return is about 24%. Now, essentially, so if you run, so basically, so if you run the box on multi-currency pairs, so the compiled returns per month is about between 10% and 30%. Alright, so now I offer trial version for 2 days. So after 2 days of trying, gaming reports on 3 most popular pairs. So if you're happy, you can contact me for purchase. I'm still working on the version for cryptocurrencies, and yes, you got to stay tuned for that. So thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.